Gear building is a crucial service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the creation of gears, which are essential components in various machines and equipment. Gears are used to transmit power and motion between rotating shafts, and they come in different sizes, shapes, and materials depending on the application. The gear building process involves several steps, including design, material selection, cutting, shaping, heat treatment, and finishing. The goal is to produce high-quality gears that meet the required specifications for strength, durability, and precision. The gear building service is critical in many industries, including automotive, aerospace, construction, mining, and energy. In the automotive industry, gears are used in transmissions, engines, and drivetrains to control speed, torque, and power. In the aerospace industry, gears are used in turbines, landing gear, and flight control systems to ensure safe and efficient operation. In the construction and mining industries, gears are used in heavy equipment such as bulldozers, excavators, and cranes to move heavy loads and perform various tasks. In the energy industry, gears are used in wind turbines, generators, and oil rigs to convert energy into usable forms. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in custom metal fabrication, machining, and assembly services for various industries. The company has over 60 years of experience in providing high-quality solutions to its customers, and it has a team of skilled engineers, technicians, and operators who are dedicated to delivering exceptional results. Berkness Company offers gear building services as part of its machining capabilities, and it has the expertise and equipment to produce gears of different sizes and materials. The company uses advanced software and tools to design and simulate gears before production, ensuring that they meet the required specifications and performance standards. If you are looking for a reliable partner for your gear building needs, Berkness Company is the right choice. The company has a proven track record of delivering quality gears on time and within budget, and it can work with you to develop custom solutions that meet your specific requirements. To learn more about Berkness Company's gear building services and other capabilities, visit the Contact Us page on the company's website and fill out the form. A representative will get back to you shortly to discuss your project and provide a quote. FAQs. 1. What is gear building in manufacturing? Gear building is the process of creating gears, which are mechanical components that transmit power and motion between rotating shafts. It involves cutting teeth into a gear blank using specialized machines such as gear hobbing, shaping, or grinding machines. Gear building is a critical process in many industries, including automotive, aerospace, and industrial machinery. 2. What are the different types of gear building processes? There are several types of gear building processes, including gear hobbing, gear shaping, gear grinding, gear honing, and gear lapping. Gear hobbing is the most common process and involves using a hob to cut teeth into a gear blank. Gear shaping uses a cutting tool to shape the teeth of a gear. Gear grinding is a precision process that uses a grinding wheel to remove material from the gear teeth. Gear honing and lapping are finishing processes that improve the surface finish and accuracy of the gear teeth. 3. What are the benefits of gear building in manufacturing? Gear building is essential in manufacturing because it allows for the creation of precise and reliable gears that can transmit power and motion efficiently. Gears are critical components in many machines and systems, and their performance can impact the overall performance and reliability of the system. By using advanced gear building processes and technologies, manufacturers can produce gears with high accuracy, durability, and performance, which can improve the efficiency and reliability of their products. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.